Our game it's about numbers. You have 10 chances from 50 numbers to guess the correct number. If you don't guess it, you will continue with the chances, and when you have run out of chances, it will say that you failed. If you actually answered the number correctly, you move on to the second level. And that's where we start.
Does someone want to play the game? Right. What's the next question?
Well, I am thinking of a number between 1 and 50. Take a guess. 39.
So you're into level 2 now, okay?
If you had more time, what would you do? What else would you answer again?
Another level. And the internet. So
Tell me about the problems.
At the end.
we couldn't get like if to stop like showing red.
Okay, what does showing red mean?
Something error.
Error, thank you Mark, yeah. If and elif. Why are they important?
Because this right here, it says well done, you got it right. It means when you actually get the answer right.
Yeah, if you do that, then it says that.
It says right. If else, it means like if else you didn't get it correct, it says the question, it gives a question, and right here it says wrong, the answer was, it says game over and you failed.
Yeah.
Basically lost.
Can we show our appreciation to the team of the Wolves, please?
The game is basically a quiz that
Live with that.
guessing numbers and
Okay.
has to do with integers and stuff.
Integer being, is it a fraction or?
Numbers.
Yeah, whole number, good. What's it called? What's your game or your quiz called?
Monkey game.
The monkey game.
Okay.
Do you have someone to play it?
Get some flash.
Is that the highest score you've had in the game yet?
Now we have 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Oh,
How
that's
many you
good.
could get in a row?
Ooh, it's supposed to be, you don't have to find the monkey.
You did good, Mark.
What is it, Mark? You're supposed to avoid finding the monkey, is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Can I try?
There you go. So what do you have there that we were talking about at the start when you start making your game?
Input.
So you have inputs from users, yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
And what do they have to input?
Mark, you're the expert.
What?
You're the
If you
expert.
just read the code. So here, what were they inputting?
From
Oh,
random
input 1, 2, or 3.
tree.
Question mark.
We are creating a shape, but what could we create to do that for us without us having to keep writing forward, left, forward?
Degree. Loop.
A loop.
Cool.
And what's while?
Well, there's a loop.
Good man. So we have a loop, we have conditions, and we have, what else?
Input.
Strings.
Inputs, thank you, Miss. Yeah, and you said that are strings as well, yeah. Okay, so I think we more than met our criteria, thank you. Okay, well done.
I'm Kurt, this is my speech.
And what's your game? Distance, speed, and time. Okay, where would we find distance, speed, and time, especially in our fantastic curriculum at school? What
Maths.
subject in maths? And what is the objective of your game? What are you trying to do? What's the game going to do?
Get the answer. Hey,
Yeah. How does it get the answer?
Use multiplication and division.
Perfect. So calculate the answer, does it?
Yeah.
Super. Okay. Okay, should we play the game, sir?
Yeah. Somebody read out what it says.
Oh, do you want to find speed, distance, or time?
Okay.
So you've typed in
So it's
speed.
giving you a question.
So what is your distance? So this is about finding how far you might have travelled.
So what did we get there? We got, what's that red stuff there?
An hour.
Yeah, we got an error, yeah. Syntax error.
Does it say there? Why don't we get an error here? Exactly, you don't need the kilometers because it will actually do that for us.
So it infers it, it assumes it, okay?
So enter your distance.
You kept eyes on me, I kept eyes on you. And I wake up at night, out of sight, not of mind.
So take one error.
So I know you just by sight.
Okay, so
kept
guys, if you go
eyes
back to
on
your
me.
code, when we were able to figure out how to get the speed, was it easy enough then for us to kind of substitute different words in so that we were able to then get the distance and then able to get the time? How did you find that, Kurt? Easy? Once we kind of one set out? Okay. And did we come into any trouble? Or what did we add into that? So when we were looking at where it says print, what did we decide to put in there?
Input.
Yeah, but look at the end. What's that last string about? What did we call them in maths?
Thank you, Kurt. Now, could you understand what else if means? Could you explain that to us?
If there's like three
Yeah?
things,
Speak up. Yeah, go on. What happens if there's three things?
you write else if.
Why?
Because if else, wait,
Because else is once.
Okay.
And if is two.
Oh,
So we need another one to finish that. So we need the else and if together. So it's else
okay.
if.
Else if. Thank you.
Good answer.
I learned a lot there. Thank you. That's an excellent explanation. Well done. Any other questions, anybody?